Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Grace's Place. I'm Grace, of course. Today I'm so excited to have my first video on this channel to be a reaction to one of my favorite YouTubers ever, Niki DeMar, and she just recently came out with a song called Alone in My Car. I have reacted to the song and I have watched the music video, and honestly I love both of them very much. Alone in My Car is one of my new favorite songs now. But I wanted to get one of my reactions to me just jamming out to it on camera, and hopefully maybe one of you guys will start listening to it yourselves too, who knows. But I just wanted to get this reaction on camera, so let's get started. I have my tablet here with the song on it, so I'm gonna play it for you guys, and also I'm just gonna be jamming, so you guys jam along with me if you want. So let's go. Yes, Nikki. Driving down 22, I don't know what I'll find. Wasting time with you, trying to ease my mind. Should I leave or stay? When did we get here? I guess everything we had wasn't so clear. Let your foot off the gas, so we switch gears. And you're acting like you don't know. Whoa, we were moving so fast. Gave my all, I could never see this love crash. Always down for the ride like it could last. Like it didn't matter where we go. Whoa, you're set in your ways. You say I'm to blame. For me, you won't change. Now I'm alone in my car and I'm running through my thoughts. No, I need to get away, cause my stomach's in a knot. Should I leave or stay? Driving down 22, I don't know what I'll find. Wasting time with a view, trying to ease my mind. Should I leave or stay? Street lights, are they talking? Telling me I'm holding on to nothing. In the end, all I wanna feel is something. Giving all I have to give. Whoa. Long nights on the highway, thinking over all the things that I won't say. Now they're telling me that it's okay. Gotta live how I wanna live. Whoa. You're set in your ways. For me, you won't change. We can't stay the same. Yeah. Now I'm alone in my car and I'm running through my thoughts. Don't want me to get away, cause my stomach's in a knot. Should I leave or stay? Driving down 22, I don't know what I'll find. Wasting time with you, trying to ease my mind. Should I leave or stay? You're set in your ways. You say I'm to blame. For me, you won't change. Now I'm alone in the car and I'm running through my thoughts. Don't want me to get away, cause my stomach's in a knot. Should I leave or stay? Nikki. Driving down 22, I don't know what I'll find. Wasting time with a view, trying to ease my mind. Should I leave or stay? Oh, sorry for the audio there. Oops. So that was the song. I honestly love the song. It's one of my new favorite songs now. I love the overall vibe of it, and I remember Nikki saying on Twitter like how she was or in her videos, one of her videos, she was like, oh, this song means so much to me, and I wrote it during quarantine and stuff, and how her car just helping her through some stuff too, like just sitting in her car, driving around and everything. And definitely this song is perfect for when you're in the car driving. Yeah, I was in my car the other day and I was like listening to the song, and it's just like, even though I love the song, even just listening to it here or in my room or whatever, when I listened to it in the car, it was like 100 times like more wow or whatever. Not saying it's not wow in my room or whatever, but it's amazing no matter what. I definitely love this song. I love the vibe, and I love how it is showing up. It's showing a side. I can't talk. I'm sorry, guys, but it's showing how. And I definitely can see through the video how much this means to Niki. I know she said before how much this song means to her, but I can definitely feel it because I know she was passionate about this song and passionate about her music. She's always has loved music, and she always wanted to pursue music. She recently said in a video like she wanted to do this amazing music video and all these special effects and everything, and like she'd rather have this amazing video rather than an amazing outfit. And like, even though like the music video, yes, it was amazing and stuff, her outfit was still cute. Like, I loved her outfit. I did actually a little photo shoot of inspired by like the raining scene. Like, I had my hair sort of wet and everything, so I was trying to do that. But I honestly love this song. I love Niki so much, and I'm so proud of her. And yeah, that was my reaction to the song. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. And I had fun doing this video, so I hope to be doing more soon. I'm trying to like tell myself, because I'm such a perfectionist, that always my first video or my first few videos are not going to be perfect, but I just have to be true to myself and all that. So I'm trying to adjust that, and it's like I have to set that in my mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!